We will now learn how to take apart our saxophone. The first thing that I like to do is take off the mouthpiece and the ligature. That way I don't accidentally bump the reed onto anything and chip it, and I can have it safely in its case. Remember to always save your reed cases and don't just throw them away along with the wrapper. They last a lot longer this way. The next part, I'm going to take my mouthpiece off and put it inside of the mouthpiece cover so that way I don't chip or bang or lose my mouthpiece as well. Following that, we're going to loosen up our neck and put that gently away in the case, making sure to gently twist off and not to pull or accidentally bend our octave key. This next part is very important, and not everyone always gives himself enough time to do so. But we need to swab out our saxophone in order to keep the pads and everything in great order to get all the moisture out. There's a weighted end that we're going to put through the belt. And then we're going to want to put through most of the swab. That way, there's enough length for the weight to gently fall out. Now remember, never tug or pull. We want to slowly and gently pull. That way it doesn't accidentally catch on any keys or any holes. Because if it gets stuck, you can't just yank it out. And you'll probably need to take it to your band teacher or repair technician. Now that it is all taken care of, I'm going to put the swab away. And always remember to put the neck strap away as well. And now your saxophone is ready to go. We will now learn how to take apart